Alright, so we're back here in the, whatever you want to call this, garage. Oh, you know what? You missed some welding right here.
Ooh.
It's fine. I mean, it's pretty strong. But, we're actually putting this wheel from the chain through here and mounting it pretty much right there. Or how it's going to be, like that. Yeah, I think it's going to be like that. And so that we can keep the chain on there, and hopefully we're going to be able to ride this on the road. I'm going to wear a GoPro and go down the street, and this thing goes pretty fast, so it's going to be good. So we're just going to drill some holes, and yeah, just send it. Oh yeah, guys, we're just mounting this here sketchy-doo thing up right here. And we're just tying her on there.
You're spinning.
Yeah. Alright, let's get another bolt in there. Oh shoot, we don't have any bolts! Alright, so here's how you pick out your washers. You get your small daddies right here. You know, you gotta get that really tiny hole because these are pretty tight. So, actually, I'm gonna get a lock washer too. Those are big daddies, these are small ones. Or not, these are just, what? I can't find these. Oh, here is this. Did I not just pull this out? Okay, whatever, we'll just weld them on there. I think those are too big. Whoa, whoa, chill daddy. Have to get a nut. There, push this way a little bit. See what we did? We put this wheel on here, and that actually makes it so it's not gonna skip it. See, it's really tight. Makes a little bit of noise, but it'll commit. You're gonna have to be able to move. See, it's still got a little bit of slack, but it's gonna be on the chain actually. It's gonna be actually catching. Turn our gas on, turn our choke on. First pull. Oh, we're close.
Yeah! Look at that mint smoke!
Holy cow.
It's because it was leaned over.
Yeah, no, if it's been leaned over, all you got. I think a bunch of oil went into there or something. I'm gonna go and check the oil on this. Chain's holding, just there's oil coming out. I think it's just from leaning it over.
Yeah. That's not good.
I don't want this thing freaking blowing up.
What?
I don't want this thing freaking blowing up. Make sure we have enough oil. I think just from when it leaned over. Oh yeah, plenty of oil. Yeah, that blasters are from it burning. Ooh, that clutch is freaking hot. Alright, well the chain held up, so that's good. Yeah, but yeah, it's kind of because when I leaned over, it dumped a bunch of oil, but the oil was fine. Right, we're gonna bigger. We're gonna go down to one of Carson's friends. Shoot, my brake isn't working. That could have been bad. My brake wasn't really catching like it should. But yeah, we're gonna go visit one of Carson's friends that goes to school with him. So he's just down the road here. It's not that far. We should be fine. Holy cow, the water is awful. slow down right here. Get this app working. This should tell me a max miles per hour. Where's it at? Here it is. Make sure there's no cops or anything. I'm gonna set a new one. Add. Done. Alright, and we're set for a new one. Those are going 12 miles an hour right now. Alright, well, let's go. Oh, buddy, we're moving. Turn on this road right here. Gotta use your hand signals. I mean, I don't really think if I got stopped, you know, they wouldn't care if I was just on these roads. Test out the suspension, even though with this new motor. Huh? Oh yeah.
Oh, that's great.
We welded it on here. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. It goes fast on that.
Yeah, Christopher goes.
It goes fast. I actually did. I had a speedometer,
Oh my god.
and I went 41 miles an hour. I'm gonna try to get faster going back.
Oh, that's awesome.
But no, I'm getting a bigger sprocket so I can actually do stuff. But the other motor blew up, so I've just been
What? How'd you blow up the other motor?
Well, it didn't blow up. Something was wrong with the electrical. But yeah, I'm gonna head back.
Oh, that's hilarious.
I know. Alright, we're gonna head back. This thing was fast. Probably not good for it, but I'll probably just get a new clutch here soon. Go! I'm just gonna walk with it. I don't want to burn this up. It's all good though, because we're back.